So this is the Euro Pound analysis for Wednesday 25th of October. Now let's just have a look what happened with prices on the 24th. It's pretty clear what we can see here. Let's just grab a pen quickly. So on the previous analysis, I did say I was expecting prices to come in to this 38.73 where we had support previously. I didn't see anything on the chart which suggests that we might get a reversal in prices unless we put in a higher low. So we've had a low here, we've possibly put in a higher low, but what the first indicator was, there was a change in the overall trend, was this momentum candle just there. We've seen a price, we instead so saw this momentum candle here to the upside, which is a break from the downtrend that we saw. So if we clean this chart up a bit, so we did identify the 200 and the 400 period average here. 200 marked out in blue, 400 marked out in black. We did say these are potential areas, as well as this 50 period moving average, potential areas where we could see a reversal in prices. Now we did have a minor reaction in around the 400 and a minor reaction around the 200, but not a major reaction, not a reversal in prices, only a small bearish candle. The very next candle was a strong bullish candle, which suggests that there was a lot of buying momentum in the market to driving the prices up. So at present, we did see a bit of a pullback in prices, and we do appear to have a continuation pattern forming. So we could potentially see prices do continue its upward move to retest that 30.24. Again, 30.24 has been tested quite a lot recently, so we might potentially see a break. I'll have a look at that on the higher time frames. But if we do break down from where we are at present, we would be if we do break down and we're not able to break above these highs just there, we could see potentially prices come down to 89.45, which was a weekly pivot from a couple of weeks ago. We have found some resistance previously. It may act as a support for prices to use it as a springboard for a move to the upside up to that 30.24 level. So if we do break down below this 89.45, we would definitely be looking at these minor supports here, dynamic supports in around the 200 and 400 premium average, below which the previous swing low in and around the 89.90. But the major level we're definitely looking at would be around this weekly pivot 88.73, below which we've got the 88.51. 88.51 quite a bit away at the moment from where prices are, so we may not get all the way down there on the 24th. We've had a strong catalyst, but definitely be looking at in around that 88.90 level, possibly this round number of 89, to see a potential bounce or off these dynamic levels of support and resistance. So if we just have a look at the weekly time frame, so on the weekly time frame, it's pretty clear. It's a similar story to the monthly time frame. We are pretty much in an uptrend, as can be seen here. We've had a series of higher lows, had a bit of consolidation, and we did break out to the upside, retested these highs up there, had a bit of a pullback. So we could say this is our low. This could be our higher low, but we are operating in the shadow. Let's just see. We are operating in the shadow of this strong bearish candle here. So we do have to bear that in mind, and especially in and around this level of 90.24, where we have seen some selling on 2 previous weeks now. That has been the high for 2 previous weeks. So we do have to be aware of the selling that we've seen there, but we do seem to have found a bid, and prices do seem poised to test it again. Again, with horizontal levels, once they're tested multiple times, we usually see a break from the area from which it's been tested. It's been tested from underneath now, so we would see a break above it. A break above that level, we'll likely see some tests from above. From there, we're potentially looking for price to get up to the 91.42 level. So 91.42 level will be the area we'll be looking at, especially on this weekly chart. 91.42 up there, just marked out. Below us, we've not revisited these lows here at present, but we are operating in the shadow of this bearish candle as well, so we'd have to bear that in mind, even though the overall trend on the weekly and monthly is to the upside. So let's just have a look at the daily chart. So on the daily chart, we can see we've had our highs. Okay, let's just grab the pen. So we've got these highs up here in and around the 93 level. We're not looking at those at present. We're looking at these 90.24. We've seen we've had our lows over here, but we've seen prices come up to this 90.24 and sell off on 2 occasions now. But we found support in and around this 20 period moving average marked out here in red. So we've posted a low there. We've posted a higher low as well, and I suppose we could interpret this as being a low. So we do look poised again for another test of 30.94, especially in the light of, let's clear that up, especially in the light of the strong candle we posted on the 24th, closing pretty close to its highs. Not quite there, but it's pretty strong close off the 20 period moving average support, and the momentum does seem to be to the upside, especially in light of the recent price action that we can see on the chart. So if we do see a breakdown in prices, again we'll be looking at AA873, which we've previously identified, but we do look more likely to head up to 90.24 for another test, possible break, some consolidation to see if it holds as support before I move up to the 91.42 identified on the chart. So that's wrap up the Euro Pound analysis. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.